In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Openlayer plugin in QGIS. The Openlayer plugin gives you access to different base maps like Google Maps, Big's Map, OpenStreetLayers, and even more. So I want to show you how to install it in QGIS. So to do that, come to Plugins and click on Manage and Install Plugins. This will open the plugin repository. Then come here and search for Openlayer. This is it, Openlayers plugin. Click on it and click on Install. The installation is done successfully. So we can now close this. After installation, to access it, come to Web. Come to Openlayer. You can see it here. In Openlayer, you can see different base map. You can see OpenStreetMap. You can see the OpenStreetMap and you can see OSM humanitarian data model. And if you come to Google Maps, you can see different Google Maps. If you come to Bing, you can see different maps here. So for instance, if you are interested in OpenStreetMap, come to OpenStreetMap and you'll see OpenStreetMap. Click on it. This will open OpenStreetMap for you to use as base map. You can now zoom in to any place of your choice. So if you are interested in using another base map, just come to Web, come to Openlayer plugin, and if you are interested in Google Maps, you can choose any of the Google Maps here. Likewise, if you want to use Bing's map, you can use it here. So this is how to install Openlayer plugins and use different base map in QGIS. Thank you for watching.